back to another video, and today we are back in another random game video. And I know I haven't been doing these for a long time, guys, so here you guys have it. We are playing Cluster Trucks. So guys, if you didn't know what Cluster Trucks is a game where you try to jump truck to truck without dying, I guess. So space to jump. Oh, okay. Shift to. Okay, I kind of got this, guys. Jump! Oh my god! Oh no! Okay, let's try this again, guys. I never tried this before. I don't know what to expect from this game. From what I saw, this game is pretty fun and also. Okay. I'm just gonna keep on holding down shift just in case. Jump! Oh my god! Basically, you have to be on the truck that does not crash. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I keep on pressing forward, but I'm not. Okay. Oh my god. No. Okay, good. Let's try to pass the first level. Oh. I'm failing, guys. I'm failing at this. Okay. Let's jump on this truck. I'm going too fast. That's what I'm doing wrong, guys. Oh! Oh my god. OMB. Well, my fingers aren't. I'm honestly done. Let go, guys. Let's go. Okay. I'm guessing we're not gonna crash. Hopefully, come on. Oh my god, I had to jump. Just had to jump. Let's go. Come on, we can make it. We can make it. Fallen trucks behind us, but we can still make it. Yeah, guys, we made it. Got past the first level. Let's go. Okay, let's stay on this truck. Oh no, avalanche. Oh no. No! This can't be happening. Oh. I guess we're gonna jump. We gotta restart. Okay. I gotta get to the top truck. Oh. We gotta get to the top truck, guys. Top truck. Oh my god. Oh my god. No. We made it through, guys. Yes. Yeah. Did it, guys. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Will we survive this? No, we're not gonna survive. We're not gonna survive. We died. Okay. Let's jump to this truck. Oh no. This is a really hard one. Oh. Oh, I missed it. I missed the truck. Come on. We can do this. We totally could do this. And we can't. We can't. We can't do this at all. Yeah. I keep on going on the trucks that crash into it, so I maybe need to jump on these. Also, it's really hard to control. Let's go here. Oh my god! We got it that time. Let's try it one more time, guys. One more time. One more time. What was that? What was that? Go, 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 go. Okay. Let's stay on some type of truck. Any truck would help now. Considering the situation we're in, I don't know. Are we going or not? Oh my god. I think we're stuck. Wait, no? Are we going? Are we going? Oh my god, are we going? No! Oh my god. That was a fail. I'll be back when I finish the level, guys. Okay, guys, I just realized that the game sends you to random levels, apparently. So, here we go. We were on level 6 before, but now we're on level 2 for some reason. I don't know how that happens. I guess it's just the way the game was made. Keep in mind, guys, this game is still in beta, so I just decided to play it because it's a beta game. It looked cool. Wait, we had this level, didn't we? We're passing it now. I'm not sure, guys. Yeah, guys, this is a cool game. So, guys, this was Cluster Trucks. It's an amazing game. Once again, keep in mind it is still in beta testing, so it's not 100% fully functional yet. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smack that like button in the face and subscribe for more awesome content. So I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!